Hello friends! Today I want to teach you to make a dietary and nutrient food which not only gives you a feeling of fullness but also it's a delicious food and it helps you to lose weight. So if you want to learn the recipe, watch this video till the end. To begin with, cut an eggplant into 3 pieces and slice it. Then put them in a strainer and add some salt. In this way, your eggplants won't become bitter. Then cut a chicken breast like this and slice it. As a dressing for chicken, you can use cumin, paprika, dried mint and some thyme. Then add some lemon juice and the mixed spices to the chicken. Vegetables that we need are sliced eggplants, mushroom, cauliflower, broccoli and garlic. As a flavor, you can add some olive oil and dried mint. Now pour some water and lemon juice to a steamer pot. Heat the vegetables and chickens in the steamer. When it's ready, add 2 chopped galir, a chopped tomato, and finally some chopped parsley to your food. Our yummy food is ready. This food is a totally dietary, nutrient, and weight loss food, and it gives you a feeling of fullness, so you can consume it as a main meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye for now.